I'm going to read your statement. Okay, I'm Police Officer Nicholson, a breath analysis operator with the Nassau County Police Department. The time is now 7:39 p.m. on September 4th. What is your name?
I was stopped and accused of robbery. I asked for my attorney. I asked to go to the hospital. I can't feel my hands from the handcuffs. They refused to give that to me. I asked to make a call to my attorney to be present. They said I have the right to remain silent. I was accused of robbery.
Okay, you were moving your hands just fine. That's not the question I asked you. I asked you what is your name, and I'm not accusing you of robbery. I asked you to take a breath test. Okay, so we're going to deal with just the breath test right now. What is your name, sir? How old are you? Where do you live? At 6 p.m. on September 4th, you were arrested by Police Officer Bailey. Shield number 693.
For robbery in Elmont, they accused me of, and I asked for a lawyer. They said I have a right to remain silent. I'm doing until I see him.
Okay. The arresting officer has advised you of the consequences of your refusal to submit to a chemical test of your breath. At 7:34 p.m., you indicated your refusal to submit to this test because of your license would be suspended or revoked. Not correct. You were explained that by Officer Bailey, you explained that by me, and you explained that by Sergeant Miller. How long have you had your driver's license, sir? You own a car? Do you need your license to get to work for any other responsibilities? Knowing your license will be immediately suspended and subsequently revoked, do you still refuse to take the breath test? What is the name of your attorney, sir, you want to speak to?
Joseph Vigilio in Garden City. I asked him immediately when I was accused of robbery.
Okay. Isn't it true we just called him?
I did not speak to Joseph Vigilio.
You know why you didn't speak to him? Because
I want to speak to my
when
attorney
you were given
now.
the phone, you dropped the phone. We gave you the opportunity.
I need to go to the hospital.
Then you wouldn't make another phone call. Stop. You were just moving your hands fine. All right. You're going.
I asked to go to the hospital immediately in the car.
Okay. You're avoiding the issue. Your hands are working fine. When your phone was ringing for your attorney on the phone number you gave us, on the phone number you gave us, you dropped the phone. We asked you if you wanted to call him back again.
You
said you wanted them here. You didn't tell us you wanted them to call us back. You wouldn't answer us.
I want to speak to my attorney.
Okay. Would you like?
I want my attorney present here before I make another statement. I was accused of robbery. Period.
Your attorney's not going to be present here. He is not allowed here. I've explained that to you at least a dozen times. So, what are we doing from here? You're going to make a phone call to your attorney?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go back out there and make a phone call to your attorney. You're going to hold the phone.
I cannot hold the phone.
Then you're not talking to your attorney. Your hands work fine. Okay? I'm not playing this game with you. You want to be treated like an adult, I'll treat you like an adult. I've already explained that to you. You want to go out there and stop pretending and playing little games? Go pick up the phone. I'll let you make a phone call.
I want to go to the hospital.
You'll go to the hospital.
I have to go to the hospital for my hands.
You'll go to the hospital after we're done. After we're done, you'll go to the hospital. Okay? There's no medical emergency here right now. This is you playing games. Your hands work when you want them to work. So, do you want to speak to your attorney?
Yes, I do.
Let's go make a phone call. Come on, go back out. I'll let you dial the phone. Go back out. Step up to the phone. Do a walk over now.
Ah, shit! Ah! 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 Damn you!
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
Get back!
You'll stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
Back. All right.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You're resisting.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
Back.
I can't put the handcuffs on if you don't put your hands behind your back. Let's go. Bring the other hand behind. Bring the other hand behind.
Oh.
Right.
Jesus. All right, this will lift you up. Bad boy. Man.
Oh.